Hello, Year 5. Now we correct Lesson 4, Grammar and Pronunciation. Exercises number 1, 2, and 3. Okay? The first exercise, exercise number 1. Have you ever written a poem? And the answer, yes, I have. Have you ever eaten Italian food? Sung a song? Seen a Harry Potter film? Eaten chocolate cake? Okay, correct your answers. Next exercise. Exercise 2, write sentences about Carla. Sentence number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The next exercise, exercise number 3, what sound is the in the word? I'm going to play it again, okay, and then we correct one by one.
1. Festival. 2. Garden. 3. Listen. 4. Wetsuit. 5. Taken. 6. Help. 7. Children. 8. Leggings. 9. Umbrella. 10. Steps. Open. 12. Tablet.
Okay, now we start lesson number 5. The aims for lesson number 5 are: first, learn expressions for making art and entertainment. Do a listening activity. And 3, ask and answer questions to complete the chart. So first, let's see the vocabulary. The first one is act in a play. Make a film. Compose music. Write a poem. Paint a portrait. Sing in a choir. Juggle. Create a comic. Make a sculpture. Play in an orchestra. Good. So now let's do together the next exercise. You can see the top of the page here. You are gonna see the different activities, okay? You're going to listen to them. They have some numbers. And then what you have to do is write here the number that corresponds to action. Okay? First of all, you listen to the different actions and please repeat once that you listen to the actions.
One. Act in a play. 2. Play. 3. Juggle. 4. Sing in a choir. 5. Create a comic. 6. Write a poem. 7. Compose music. 8. Make a sculpture. 9. Paint a portrait. 10. Make a film.
Okay, so now what you have to do is write next to these words the number they correspond to in your paper. Okay, you can pause the video to do that. Next activity. Look at the chart. Here you've got some ticks in the action. And here we've got 3 people. So you have to decide with the information that you are going to listen to which of them are doing the different activities. Okay, who's one, who is number 2, and who is number 3.
Okay, Polly and Tim. Let's see who's done the most things. Have you ever juggled? I have. Have you juggled, Tim? Yes, I have too. And I have. So that's all of us. Have you ever painted a portrait? No, I haven't. Have you, Tim? I have. I painted a portrait of my brother last week. He didn't like it much. I painted a portrait too. I love painting. Right, the next question. Have you made a film or have you acted in a play? I've acted in a play and film. Polly and I made a film together, but I haven't acted in a play. What about you, Robbie? I haven't made a film or acted in a play. Right. What about music? Have you ever composed music, Polly? Hard. I like singing, but I haven't composed music. I haven't composed music. But you like music a lot, Robbie. Have you ever composed music? Yes, I have. We compose music in piano club. And the last question. Have you created a comic? That's easy. We've all created a comic. We created a comic in school together last term. So who's done the most things?
And that is an answer that that's a question that you have to answer here, okay? Decide which of them, who is who in here. If you need to listen to the recording again, rewind and listen to it again. Okay. Next activity. Here, what are the past participle of these verbs? Listen and check. Okay, you are gonna listen to the verbs and then you have to write down here what they are.
1. Have you ever acted in a play? 2. Have you played in an orchestra? 3. Have you ever juggled? 4. Have you ever sung in a choir? 5. Have you ever created a comic? 6. Have you ever written a poem? 7. Have you ever composed music? 8. Have you ever made a sculpture? 9. Have you ever painted a portrait? 10. Have you ever made a film?
Okay, although you should know how to change the verb, but you could hear that there, okay? So now we are going to correct them. Here in make is made, M-A-D-E, painted, made a sculpture, composed music, written a poem, created a comic, sung a choir, juggled, played, acted. Homework for Monday. The first exercise here, you've got these words that the letters are not in order. You have to order them and write them down here in the sentences. The next exercise, you have to read and choose the correct answer. Each gap has three different options. So for the option number 1, for the gap number 1, you've got actors, jugglers, or writers. 2, water, houses, air. Number 3, football. Number 4, knives, leaves, comics. Number 5, must, should, can. And number 6, any, some, all. The next exercise, you have to read and learn word building. Make, do, go, or play. You know that they always go with some of the different activities. So what do you have to do in exercise number 4? You have to complete the phrases with a verb, one of those verbs. Make, do, go, or play, okay? So decide from sentence number 1 to sentence number 8 which ones you have to write. And finally, exercise number 5, you have to write one sentence for each verb. You decide which sentence. Here it says with a partner, but you are going to do it on your own. Okay? I hope this is all clear. If I go too quick, or too fast, you can stop, pause the video, write it down, and this homework for next Monday, okay? Have a good weekend. Be good. Thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye.